This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Chrome Music Lab and selecting Songmaker. This gets you into the grid where Erika's pattern will live. Once there, set tempo to 120 BPM and enable quantize to 1/8 so notes lock neatly in place. You should pick 2 sound sources right away, a warm melodic synth for the lead and a plucked or percussive instrument for the arpeggio. This contrast creates Erika's recognizable texture. Make sure to use a comfortable grid size, like 16 steps. Now you'll construct the core pattern. Lay down a 16-step bass line with stronger notes on steps 1, 5, 9, and 13, so the groove locks in. Next, create a 4-note arpeggio spanning steps 1 through 8, and keep the notes short to imply motion rather than sustain. This gives Erika her brisk feel. Once done, drop simple chord hits on steps 1 and 9 to punctuate each bar and dial light reverb on the lead to glue everything together. To finish, refine dynamics and pacing. Gently automate tempo or test variations between 110 and 125 BPM to find the sweet spot. You should balance levels, bring the lead a touch forward and slightly reduce bass so the arpeggio reads clearly. Once satisfied, export or record directly from the browser. If the loop sounds sloppy, make sure quantize is on and consider increasing grid density to 1/16. If notes clip, reduce individual track volumes or disable overlapping, sustain to fix artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.